strong.
What's up, Thenx athletes? Today I'm going to show you a six-pack abs workout that you can do anywhere. And this workout is going to be perfect for beginners because a lot of these moves are exercises that you can just get right into. You don't really have to have any prior knowledge on how to do these. These are pretty basic movements, but they're super effective when it comes to burning fat and getting a six-pack abs. And best of all these exercises require zero equipment. All you need is your body and the ground and gravity, and you're good to go. Now this routine I've created for you guys is gonna have a mixture of fat burning exercises, ab sculpting exercises, and we're gonna be using different exercises to target different areas of our abs. The abdominals is a very big muscle group, which is gonna require a lot of different types of exercises to target every single area, the upper abs, lower abs, middle of your abs, your obliques, and everything else in between. So to be really aesthetic, you have to target all aspects of that muscle group. And of course, we're gonna be incorporating fat burning exercises to burn that layer of fat right on top of our abs to make them really show, to make them a lot more aesthetic. And the best of all, this ab routine is gonna make your core super strong. These are the same exercises that I got started with and I still use to this day. So with the right nutrition and the workout that I'm right about to show you guys, it doesn't matter if you're a beginner or advanced, this workout is gonna get you shredded. And best of all, you can do this anywhere, so there are absolutely no excuses. So let's go and do this together, guys. Are you ready? First exercise is gonna be high knee taps. We're gonna go for 45 seconds on, 15 seconds off. Let's go for it.
Korea music.
Make sure to stay breathing, guys. Just regulate that breathing. And this is gonna be a piece of cake. So right now we're getting our whole body moving, getting that heart rate up to start burning that fat. And this is also gonna get our body ready so that when we move into those harder core exercises, it's really gonna take a stronger effect because we get everything fired up. Whew. All right, next one we have is Russian twists. Let's go right into it. So legs up, keep those legs straight, touch one side, touch the other side. Keep that core tight, regulate that breathing. Don't give up, guys, we're just getting started. Pace yourself. If you can go fast, challenge yourself, go for it. If you can only go slow, take it easy, chill. Eventually you're gonna get a lot better at this. The most important thing is to make sure that your form is on point and everything else will progress. But we're on our way to six-pack abs, baby. Keep those core tight. All right, next exercise we have is leg raises. You guys ready for that? Let's go for it. All right, so all the way up, all the way down, and you wanna come about 6 inches off the ground. Make sure you're going all the way up and all the way down. Keep those legs straight.
Korea music. Korea music.
Here we go, almost there, guys. 5 more seconds. 3, 2, there we go. All right, next move, we have hip raises. All right, here we go, guys. This move, form is everything. Legs straight out, tight, tight together. You're gonna bring them in, and you'll bring your body up, back down, straight out. Let's go for it. Form is everything on this one, guys. Keep that breathing.
Haria Music.
Whew. All right. Now you're starting to feel it, hopefully. Okay, so the next move we have is flutter kicks. Let's go right into those. Legs straight, core tight from this position. One leg up, one leg down. So this is an excellent move for tightening that core, strengthening that core, and also burning that fat. This is one of my favorites. I literally started off on this move right here. This is one of the first ones I ever did for abs. This is one of those excellent moves that targets that lower core. That's normally one of the most hardest places to hit. All right, now let's go for some plank. So now we're gonna use a different angle to target those abs. All right, and also a different flex too. Let's go right into it. We're gonna go into a plank. We're gonna bring one knee up, come back down, other one up, and come back down. Let's go for it. All about control. Keep that core tight the whole time, guys. Don't ever loosen it. That's the most important part. Bring those knees up. All right. So now we're gonna switch it up again, hit another angle. We're gonna go into chair sit-ups. So from this position, you wanna keep your legs up, so that way you're automatically engaging that core. Then we're gonna put our hands, let's start with one side first. Activate that core. Keep that core tight. Keep these feet up. This one is an ab killer, guys. If you're doing this with me, hang in there. We're almost there. Regulate that breathing. You guys go up, try to go up, try to touch the ceiling. You guys really want to reach for it. Here we go, we're almost there. All right, so the next one we're gonna go for is seated in and out. Another different angle. We're gonna go straight out, keep that core tense, and bring them right back in. All right, guys, let's go for it. Make sure to go all the way out, all the way in. Form is everything, especially if there's a lot of beginners watching this right now. You wanna start with perfect form, because you're gonna grow off of perfect form. If you start with sloppy form, you're gonna grow off of that sloppy form. You don't want that. If you need to stop, take that break, but keep going. Don't give up no matter what, all right? We're gonna build that discipline. That's also just as important as working out. Because you're only as good as you continue to push. So with that said, we're gonna move in to the last exercise, guys. We have jumping jacks. This is gonna really finish off the job right here. Get us those six-pack abs coming in. Here we go. So this is the last exercise, guys. Push it as hard as you can. This one, you don't want to stop. You want to give this everything we got at this last exercise. Build that discipline. That's what's first going to allow you to go on that extra reps, go on that extra time. And eventually, your strength is going to catch up with it. You're going to progress super quick. But it's all in the mindset. We're almost there, almost there. Here we go. 5 seconds. Hard, hard, hard. All right, so there you have it. Round 1 for those 6-pack abs, a routine that you can do anywhere. Great for beginners because you don't need any equipment, as well as the exercises being pretty basic. Anyone can do them, but being extremely effective because they're the ones that I started off on, but they're ones that I still do to this day. I mean, you can hear me. I'm pretty gassed at this point, but we still got 3 more rounds to go to finish this routine. So if you guys enjoyed this routine, enjoyed the workout, then smash that like button. And for more workouts, sign up right now at Athletics.com, become a member, and get full access to all our workout programs, all our technique guides, and our daily workouts that are gonna have you shredded. And people all around the world learning how to muscle up, planche with ease, properly, step by step with the correct progressions, all on our app. So sign up today and become a member and join the millions